Hey guys. ASMR. How was that? Was it good? Okay everyone, hello, I'm elliejoolsen, and today I'm gonna be filming my updated room tour. Believe it or not, the last time I uploaded a room tour was 2 years ago. It does not feel like that was 2 years ago at all, but I guess it was. Time doesn't lie. I was watching that video a few days ago and I realized that a lot of things have changed about my room, and you guys really liked that video, so I thought why not update you guys and show you what other cool things that my room has. So let's just get into it. Okay, so very first, this is my door. This is what it looks like from the outside. I mean, it doesn't really look that different. It just has this handle on it. But when you first walk in, this is what you see. Yeah, what a nice bed. I know. I just have this plain white duvet cover. My pillows are a little messed up. Don't mind that. Let me fix that really quick for y'all. There we go. Perfect. But anyways, this is my bed. One major difference is that I changed all of the pillows on my bed from last time, so that's pretty cool. I like these pillows a lot better than my last ones. But then also you see my really cool picture wall. These are basically just all of the film pictures that I've taken. None of them are taken on my iPhone or anything, and I still have like a million more than I need to put up, but these are the ones that I have put up so far. And then when you come around to my headboard, I have this cute picture of me and my sister, a clock, this painting that I did a while ago, and then this cute little gold rocking horse that my great-grandma gave me. No, it must have been my grandma. I don't even know. And then I have my lovely lamp, the book that I'm reading, which is the 5th Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter. And then just my laptop over there. But this is basically the first thing that you see when you walk into my room. But let's go around to this side of my room. Let's just start here. So over here we have my desk, basically like my vanity. I have some bags that I use, my keys in my wallet, some masks, and then I have my lovely whiteboard because I am very much, I guess, a planner, kind of. I don't know, I'm just like really organized, and I like to keep organized, so I just like write out all the things that I need to do, my work hours, yada yada. And then I have some markers, some hair clips, hair ties. My desk is definitely more like a vanity. I have a mirror, some cotton pads, perfume. I keep all my rings in here, makeup brushes. I have a little notepad back there, deodorant, facial stuff. And here I have just little hair ties and stuff. And then I have this really cute little organizer thing. These are basically all of the things that I use on a daily basis. Everything that's out on my desk, I basically use on a daily basis. So that's why I keep it out. Oh yeah, and then up here you can't forget about my luscious Disney pins. Can't forget about those. And then we look up and we have the mirror. Hello. I have this cute little thing that my brother bought back for me from Japan. And then this quote on the mirror that says, "There's a lot of value in owning up to where you personally fall short in life. That's when you really start to grow." I really just like that quote, so I've had it on my mirror for like a few years now. And then in my desk, I just keep a lot more like makeup and cosmetic stuff. This is just a lot of hair things. In this little middle gap, I have more hair stuff like curling irons and hair scarves and stuff like that. And then in this one, I just have all of my like eye care stuff. So my glasses, contacts, glasses cleaning solution. You get the gist. And then looking up again, we have my cute little magnet board. I have this little tack board that I made that just keeps all of my jewelry. I have some medals, some golds, and then this is actually pretty funny. I think I made it in like the 5th grade, maybe 6th grade or something like that, but it's basically just a list of all the things that I want my future husband to have or do, I guess, or be, I don't know. And then turning down to here, I have this bin with a bunch of arts and crafts because I recently just got into scrapbooking, and so these are just all the things that I want to keep out for when I'm scrapbooking. Oh yeah, and then I totally forgot about these bins. These bins are basically just a bunch of arts and crafts stuff. The top one is like all of like the markers, crayons, pencils, and the bottom one is like a bunch of paper and binders and folders. And I have my little trash. And then these ones are basically just more arts and craft. This one is like a bunch of projects that I can do. And I think the bottom one might be empty, honestly, but I don't know. Okay, and then I have this cute little walking stick that I got from girls camp a few years ago. This is where I keep the majority of the hats that I own, but these are the ones that I wear the most. And then I have this cute little blonde sign. Yes, it is upside down for a reason because it's supposed to be a dumb blonde. And then looking below, I just have this really cool sheet of scratch off temples. So once you go to a temple, you scratch off the gray stuff. So these are all the temples I've been to. And then I have my Lego set that I still haven't done. I'm gonna get around to it, don't worry. And above that, I just have a bunch of cool vines as well as these lights that I have strung all around my room. And then turning down here, I have probably the most peculiar thing in here, which is a little golf putting mat. If you don't know, I'm really into golf, so you know, gotta keep the putting game up. Then this is the main window that looks into the back of my yard, and I just have some drapes. Then coming around here, I have this really cool picture that my mom actually made a while ago. Some people think it's creepy, but you know what? It's cool. So then I have my fun little bookshelf. I've been getting a lot more into reading lately, so this has become kind of one of my prized possessions in my room a little bit. I have a ukulele that I literally never use, and then we have this little bin that in the very bottom it has like all of my bags and stuff, but then on the top I just keep a bunch of blankets that I use. On the side of my bed I just have these little shelves. This is just like an empty liner to a bag, and then on the bottom I have a little DVD player thing for like road trips and stuff, but this side basically has like nothing in it. Then the bottom of my bed I have these drawers. In this first one I have jeans that I need to like fix, so like ones that have holes or that I need to hem or something like that. This one has a bunch of like my golf skirts, leggings, swimsuits, Spanx, and then like old volleyball shirts. This one is all of my jeans that I wear. Jeans and pants, I guess. And then around to the other side of my bed I have more. This one is all of my shorts. This one is undergarments, which you don't really need to see. And then this one is like pajamas. So yeah. Okay, but coming back to the middle of my room, we can now go to this side. First thing that I turn to is my mirror. Hello. Yes, I'm wearing my pajamas. It is like, I don't know, 9:40 at night, whatever. Comfy pajamas. Anyways, back to the point. I just have a bunch of things hung on my wall because if you can't tell already, I like a bunch of things on my wall. I just have like a bunch of old DVDs from school years and plays. This is like a championship I played in over the summer for golf, so that was really fun. I have my fanny pack, and then I'm a basic white girl, so I have a bunch of records all over my wall. A lot of these are actually my grandma's old records, but some of them I got from the thrift. Then I have the Stranger Things poster, of course. I love Stranger Things, such a good show. I have all my sunglasses hung up right there, and then I have my backpack where I just charge like my laptop and stuff like that. And this is where all of the lights around my room plug in. And then this right here is kind of just like a Jack and Jill bathroom, nothing very exciting. But when we turn around, I have these little bins, and this is where all of the rest of my hats and bags are hung up. This top bin has like gloves. This bottom bin I think is empty, I'm pretty sure. And then the side of my dresser has this one little skimpy strand of vines, but I never ordered more to fill it up, so it's just alone, but it's okay. Oh, and then above my bathroom I have these two license plates, which I'm actually starting a little collection. Last November I went to the East Coast, and I went to like Boston and New York and Nantucket and stuff like that. And then I was also very fortunate where in November I went to Costa Rica. I actually have some videos about that, so go check them out. But every time I go somewhere, I'm gonna get a new license plate, which I think is really fun. And then the next thing that we see is my dresser, which is pretty fully stacked, honestly. This very bottom drawer has just some old, like, camera boxes, my Polaroid, stuff like that. This middle drawer has a bunch of cosmetic stuff, I guess. I have a bunch of like toiletry bags, nail polish. Actually, this is kind of random. I have like glow sticks and slime and putty crap like that in there. This top one is kind of like more cosmetic stuff. I have another hair curler, some lotions, a hair towel, some makeup rags. And then the final drawer is just all of, well, I guess not all of, but the majority of my camera stuff that I use. Okay, and then we get to this main shelf, which looks kind of chaotic, but I think it looks cute. I have some old journals, a planner, obviously my record player. I have one of my film cameras. I'm taking a film class at school, so that's the camera that we use. And then I actually have my little piggy bank. I know my name is spelled wrong, but it's okay, it's the thought that counts. I have this candle, this little jewelry holder with all of the jewelry that I want to keep, but I don't necessarily wear. And then I have this really cool kind of like sidewall that has just a bunch of stickers on it. Oh yeah, and then I also have this really cute sign behind this that says Mom's Kitchen Always Open. You can't really see it, but I also think that is very cute. In this middle shelf, I have a bunch more records. I just have some more random knickknacks. This is actually a little YouTube plaque that I made in pottery. So this is my first YouTube plaque. Let's hope I get a real one. I have some golf balls where I had pretty good scores. Also, this one is signed by Tony Finau, so, you know, maybe I'm trying to flex, but it's okay. I have some more candles, a rock I painted on, another art project. These things I literally found in the most random places. Pretty sure I found this at school. Also little baby, but this tech deck I found like in a lake. I have a bunch of things that I made in pottery. This I made in pottery. It's a little mushroom mug. This is supposed to be a purse, but the handle broke. And then this kind of looked like a Dementor to me, but I thought it was cool. Anyways, then this last shelf, I have these cool dolls that my grandma made me. The blonde one is Luna Lovegood, so that's pretty cute. And then I have a bunch more things that I made in pottery all right there. This I actually painted like an organ along with this owl. And then I don't know, I just have a bunch more random knickknacks. And then the very top, I just have a bunch of church things. So I have like a picture of a temple, some cool quotes. You get the gist. And then coming over here, I have my amp and my guitar. I also have my cute little Disney calendar. I switched it up because the last few years I've had a little Peanuts calendar, but I thought that these paintings were so pretty. And then I have my New Year's resolutions and to-do list right there. I have more records hung up, of course. And then we turn around here and I have this wall with a bunch of my old tickets and wristbands and passes to things. I'm really nostalgic, so I keep a lot of stuff like this. I have some cute Polaroids and then a bunch more random pictures hung up everywhere. And then on this side I have some of my scriptures, my retainer case, and an Xbox controller. This is some more like electronic stuff that I use on the regular. And then the very bottom shelf has more pictures that I need to hang up on my wall, and then just a bunch of like phone cases, cords, my DS, you know, the goodies. And then lastly I think is my closet. I got very fortunate and I have a walk-in closet. So over here I just have a bunch of golf and athletic shirts. I have my shoe rack. Gotta have the comfy and robe hung up because they're just so amazing. Then I have some belts, my skirts, overalls, dresses, all that jazz back here. Over here we have all of my tank tops and short sleeves, and then on the bottom I have all my long sleeve jackets and sweatshirts and stuff like that. Under here I have a little candy bin and my seeds because I am addicted to sunflower seeds. And then I have my suitcase, some pillowcases, a random paint by number. These bins are like my memory bins, I guess. It has like all my school projects, all of the things I did. I don't know, it's all the stuff that I want to scrapbook, so, you know. I have my camera box, some ACT prep books, another thing that I made in pottery. And then this bin is like also kind of like these, but it's like before I organize it all. So these are like organized by years. So these are just like right after I do something, I'll just throw it in there so that I can organize it into those later. You know, I think you get it. But I think that is everything. I don't know, I'm sorry if that was like really unorganized or really fast paced. I just wanted to show you guys everything, but I didn't want to make the video a million years long. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hoped you liked it, because you guys really liked my last room tour. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. I love you all, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!